All right, so taking it ahead and beginning with the today's webinar, I would like to begin with the fact that a lot has changed in the last year, and even as people start going back to work, how we work will be permanently transformed by this pandemic. Many organizations have adapted to remote and hybrid work, but all this and all other change around us has demanded an unprecedented resilience. Nearly every customer we talk to is grappling with, how to make this world of work more sustainable. That's where the question stands. More sustainable for the people, more sustainable for their organization, as well as for themselves. And many of us are realizing that what is needed to survive and thrive is a new culture of resilience, which enables people as well as the organizations to continuously adapt for what's next. So, one of the key insights from research in this area is that more than ever, people are the key to business success. These statistics and countless other research shows that when companies invest in their people and focus on improving the employee experience, we can directly impact employee engagement, retention, customer satisfaction, and a company's financial success. Also, from this research, we have found that in partnership with even LinkedIn and Glint, there are six main key elements that make up for a great experience. One is well being, empowerment, growth, purpose, focus, and connection. So, there has never been a bigger need for technology, data, and insights that are designed to enable a great employee experience regardless of your location. There are a few facts I would like to point out here. One, employees they want to feel more connected, more aligned to their company's purpose, mission. They want to grow, make an impact. Also, the idea comes that they want to make a difference. That's how the employees are thinking. While when it comes to leaders, it is like there is a need of making a modern way to engage and develop their employees. Now, when it again comes to IT, it needs to be, they need to quickly enable this modern employee experience without having to, let's say, rip apart or replace their existing systems. Even, I would say the IT buyers, they are concerned with the fact that managing the fragmented applications and limiting with the tech sprawl, reducing the technology and integration costs, showcasing tech as an enabler of business or the cultural outcomes. So overall, what we can say is that what is needed is a very new approach and a new category of technology solution, which we call here as employee experience platforms. So an employee experience platform is a digital platform that puts people at the center by bringing together all the systems of work with systems of support into an integrated employee experience, and it provides people with the resources and support they need to succeed and thrive no matter from where they are operating or what is their location. It also needs to provide an open and extensible platform that is customizable and works with your existing systems and tools. Today, there are a lot of vendors which are focused on employee engagement and well-being, but uh, they are mostly point solutions to solve one or few of the symptoms in separate experiences. So today's solutions are, we can say they are fragmented, they are disconnected, and from where people are doing their work. That's the exact scenario. And the services which is required is that everything needs to be collaborated on a single platform. The vision for Viva is an integrated employee experience that brings together all these resources into the natural flow of their everyday work. So that's why Microsoft Viva. Viva is an employee experience platform that is empowering people and teams to get their best from anywhere. Just to quickly point out, Viva brings together the communications, insights, knowledge, and learning within the flow of everyday work and collaboration into your Microsoft Teams environment itself. start with, Viva will have these 4 modules that you are able to see here, and we'll be adding more, and there will be more in the future, but each of this builds on existing capabilities that are already present in Microsoft 365 and are integrated directly in Teams. So as you, in fact, I believe you guys can see, let me just give me one moment to point out the laser. I hope you can see now that even the user interface right now, everything is integrated in Teams environment itself. So it is very easy to use and you won't have to switch from one window to another. We'll be definitely checking out each of these modules and what are the functionalities overall. But let me quickly run through that why Microsoft Viva and what is going to make it unique. So Microsoft Viva is unique in 5 key ways, I would say. 1, it is an integrated system of employee experiences instead of what we say that the fragmented point solutions that exist in each of these categories today. Secondly, it puts people at the center by delivering personalized experiences which are embedded into the apps. People like which we use in our everyday work life, which can be your Microsoft Teams, Office, and so on. Then it comes to it provides very powerful insights. It can be for anyone, it can be individuals, teams, leaders, and this is all based out of the feature we have is Microsoft Graph. And the next pointer is that it has privacy and security that you can trust. So for example, your personal data, it is only you who will be able to view it. All the manager and leader insights, they are being de-identified with differential privacy, and the data can now be only viewed by the manager, which let's say with the orgs of 10 or more people. And finally, Microsoft Viva provides a very open and extensible platform with an ecosystem of partners. So Viva works with your existing systems as well as the tools. So Viva is designed for customers who can leverage their existing investments in Microsoft technologies as well as their existing systems, which can be, if you are using any of your HR systems, learning systems, any of the system that you've devised for your well-being internally, anything like that. Taking it ahead, our customers have told us that they don't want to start from scratch with a completely, let's say, new system, or they don't want to rip apart their system or in fact replace their existing systems, the ones which in fact they have on record, right? So instead what they want is that to extend their existing investments by better connecting them together and making them available in a more rather modern experience for their employees. So moving ahead, let's dive a little deeper into these modules themselves. Beginning first, we will talk about Viva Connections. I would say we know that a sense of belonging is very important when it comes to your work, right? And employees who feel that they belong, that they belong here are rather much happier and they are bound to stay for long at their jobs. So, however, nearly 60% of people say that they feel less connected to their teams since the shift to remote work. And this has led us to a very common question that has been asked by customers across globe during the pandemic, that how can we create this connectedness we feel while we are working in person and while we are working remotely. So that's where Viva Connection comes, and Viva Connections was created to keep everyone in the workforce connected to each other. It makes it, I'll say, very easy for people to contribute and unite your organization around the company's vision. Today in Microsoft 365 itself, there are so many capabilities. For example, for your even employee communications and engagement, right? It is your SharePoint, Yammer, Teams, even the Stream. So Viva Connections, what it is doing, it is bringing all of these together in a company branded app in Teams itself. So over the last 18 years, what we have seen is that we have made a significant progress in integrating these tools together. For example, The new Yammer Communities app in Microsoft Teams, it has many capabilities. It has the live events. So what happens is that employees can watch their company all hands on deck and engage in real-time Q&A across the company right within their teams. So connections is the next evolution of this. Customers have been saying that they want a pre-configured experience that is company branded and mobile first, and they want it to be customized for the different roles. So this is how Viva Connections is coming ahead. I'm gonna take it ahead and put down that we think that this is a really powerful concept that adds to the frontline capabilities we already have in Teams, and it can be a unifying application helping them tie together different services into a single experience. Moving ahead, one of the reasons that there is such a focus on employee experience is because there is a belief that happy employees are more successful. However, in a recent survey, 70% of the respondents reported that they are experiencing higher stress levels, and 40% reported that they are experiencing decreased mental health. So many organizations have been left asking, how can we improve our employees' well-being at work? Viva Insights, it addresses this issue head on as it provides visibility into how work is happening, the impact on productivity and well-being. Insights deliver personalized and actionable insight and helps address complex business challenges with data itself. So the personalized insights, and you'll get recommended actions which come from the data that you use in your everyday work, which is happening inside, let's say, your Office 365 and Teams. So the insights are personalized based on whether you are an individual, a manager, or a leader. Along with, you will have the action plans and all the nudges that are pretty much customizable. To ensure privacy on that level, I would like to say that your personal insights are only available to you, and then the managers, leaders, and admins get generalized insights that are protected by anonymity for their organization. All right. I'll just give this a minute to read, and this is actually about a research where it shows that people spend about an hour a day, or let's just say up to 7 weeks a year, searching for or just recreating information. So employees today often have, let's say, very several tasks that they are working on simultaneously. But frequent context switching, for example, that is something we really do on daily basis. That we switch between our emails, chats, in our Word documents, all while searching for various content on our computers. So what what this is happening is that it is preventing us from getting a role on our work, on our day-to-day work. So the question stands that how do we get you to the content and information you need without constant interruptions? So to address these issues, we have Viva Topics. Topics builds on Microsoft 365 and it applies to AI. So this identifies knowledge and experts from across your organization and categorize them into shared topics. I would really like to point out that it's just like a Wikipedia for the enterprise, where artificial intelligence does the first draft. And what's more powerful is that AI surfaces these topics as topic cards right within your Teams, SharePoint, or Office 365. And so let's say if you hover over an acronym or project name, you'll get an immersive topic card that you can click, and then you can get on to more details. So just to give you an example, for let's say Viva Topic is an effective tool for employee onboarding and training. So let's say if you are having new employees who need to learn a lot of information quickly and encounter these terms that they know nothing about when reading the company information. So what happens is that if they are reading through some of the pages, they'll be quickly able to adapt while if they come across any sort of new words or let's say new terminologies as well. So both employees and executives believe that learning new skills is essential. 79% of CEOs worldwide are concerned that a lack of essential skills in the workforce is a threat for the future growth. And on top of that, Glimpse research shows that employees who see good opportunities to learn and grow are nearly 4 times more likely to report being happy than those who don't see opportunities to learn. So this is where developing skills and growth come into picture, and that's where Viva has introduced Viva Learning. It allows employees to easily discover formal and informal learning when and where it's needed, making it very easier for people to learn while working and develop the skills the organization actually needs. Just to quickly point it out, with Viva, employees can easily discover and share everything from their training courses to micro-learning content, and managers can get the tools they need to assign learning and to track outcomes to help foster a learning culture. So Viva Learning creates a central location for learning in Teams itself, and with that AI that comes into picture, and it will recommend the right content at the right time. So it brings together content from every source. It can be LinkedIn Learning, Microsoft Learn. It also your organization's own custom content, trainings across all the leading content providers. Uh, Name any of them: Coursera, Pluralsight, EDX. And Viva Learning also works with the leading learning management systems like Cornerstone, On Demand, Sabha, and SAP SuccessFactors. Alright, so taking that ahead, I would like to quickly now move towards the demo of all these 4 modules. I have briefly tried to introduce you all to what the 4 modules do overall, but once we have this demo, I believe you'll be able to connect really fast with what are the functionalities. So right now we have first is Viva Connections, which is your gateway to a modern experience, allowing you to stay engaged and informed no matter where you work. So here's an example of for a company which is called Rally Cloud. The Connections app is pinned on the top of the app bar. I hope you guys can see here, right here, on this left rail in Teams itself, right? So as you can see, Connections is customized for your organization, and what you can see is it is personalized for you based on your role and location, for example. There is a personalized feed of relevant news, announcements, conversations, so you're always in the know. You can keep up with the important announcements from your company and your teams. Plus, you'll be able to join in valuable conversations with people across your organization with Viva's integration to Yammer itself. Then the feed also uses the content and signals from Microsoft Graph. It makes it personalized and relevant to you. And your organization will be able to target the communications and featured conversations to make sure that the right information gets to the right people wherever they work. In addition to this new personalized feed of news and conversation, Connections will also give you a personalized dashboard. So your dashboard is a single destination for all your helpful company resources and tools you will need as an employee. So you see that you can have health checks, time off requests, and the resource for your well-being, learning. Like, can you see that this is a reminder here to take a break? This is coming from Viva Insights, and this is recommended training from Viva Learning. And of course, the dashboard is available in Teams mobile as well. And moreover, it is bringing the same personalized experience to iOS and Android users. And you can tailor the experience for every role. For example, you can add things, right? Can you see here? You can add things like your shifts, your particular set of tasks that are specific to your as a frontline worker, and so on. Viva Connection is built on Microsoft 365 capabilities, that is SharePoint and Yammer. You can integrate it with any sort of apps from across your digital workspace, and I would say it is delivering you a modern, personalized employee experience that keeps everyone connected and engaged wherever they work with Viva Connections. All right, moving ahead, now we are talking about Viva Insights. All right, so Viva Insights helps you bring smarter, content to your dashboard. Plus, for you, it helps you to work smarter and thrive. It has privacy protected personal insights, tips, and tools right inside your Teams environment itself. I hope you can see here that it has been integrated with Teams, and we will have a separate, a logo to go to and click. So from here on this navigation button, it's like having a life coach helping you to be your best and bring your best self to your work. As you plan for your days ahead, Viva gives you personalized recommendations to help you be rather more intentional, to prioritize your time for focused work and coaching. Moreover, it is also going to help you to set aside your time for learning. And next we have is that during the day, insights will remind you to take regular breaks. Can you see that right here? It is going to tell you that you need a short meditation from Headspace, and you can come back to your work with this refreshed and recharged. Next is we have at the end of the day, let's say Viva will help you mindfully wrap up your work day with a virtual commute. So this is going to guide you to reflect, disconnect, and unwind. And like all of the other all of Microsoft Viva, this experience comes in Microsoft Teams across all your devices. Now, so far I talked about the personal insights. Now, this one I am talking about in perspective of the managers. So for managers, the Insights app has the My Team view. I hope you can see here, right here. So Insights delivers aggregated, de-identified insights that protect individual privacy while empowering the managers to, let's say, foster healthy and successful teams. Plus, for example, Viva Insights can also help a manager see if their team is at risk of burnout. And to turn insights into actions, you will find recommendations backed by our, let's say, the research lab, and from all the world-class resources just like Harvard Business Review that will help you develop your team's well-being as well as healthy work habits. Now I'm moving ahead to my org. This tab has changed, and this comes in handy for leaders. So for leaders, the Insights app features under this My Org view that will provide all the insights across a broad set of business outcomes, ranging from your organization resilience, employee engagement, meeting culture, customer focus, and much more. So, for example, Viva sheds light on workplace trends, including an organizational network analysis to assess connectedness and cohesion. That studies, they show how to build organization resilience. Next, that insights are also being derived from your data in Microsoft 365. Plus, just to point out a fact, it's also possible to tap into your daily data from any of your applications you might use, Zoom, Workday, and SAP SuccessFactors. So companies can combine Viva Insights with your own business data to inform the initiatives. It can be such as your effective space planning, as companies are reimagining their offices for hybrid work. Moreover, a new dashboard for Microsoft Viva and Glint Resources map insights that how people work to data about how they, how people feel from, and this is all from the employee surveys. So Viva Insights is going to help you understand your current work patterns and the impact on the people and business, which will help you drive and measure the change to foster success and well-being for you, your team, and your organization. And Viva Insights protects personal privacy every step of the way. All right, so moving ahead, now we'll be demonstrating Viva Learning. So Viva Learning helps you grow personally and professionally by bringing all your learning into one place, that is Microsoft Teams. So I hope you'll be able to find content from your company, from leading providers. It can be Skillsoft, Coursera, name any of them, Pluralsight, EDX, even from LinkedIn Learning and Microsoft Learn. So Viva Learning has, these partnerships with the leading management systems, leading and learning management systems, which includes the Cornerstone On Demand, and SAP Success Factors. So you will find a learning that has been assigned to you. Can you see right here? It has been in the My Learning, and also you'll be able to find the recommended learning based on the role that you are in your company. So in teams, learning becomes a natural part of your everyday work life. Plus, when you open a course from, let's say, LinkedIn Learning, it plays right inside your teams. So you can learn in the flow of your work. You don't have to switch out of the, one screen to another. So it's easy for people to find, share, and discuss learning. Managers and leaders, they'll be able to, organize learning resources to accelerate onboarding. Plus, it will help to keep people's skill up to date. They can assign training to individuals or groups. Plus, they'll be able to track the, let's say, if they have completed it, is it in progress? They can go and resume it whenever required. So I hope it right here you will be able to see that you can check your status. This is where it serves as a checklist as well. Next is that Viva Learning enables managers and leaders to foster a learning culture and enables everyone to develop their skills and grow in their careers as a people. Moving ahead, we'll be now talking about Viva Topics and how its user interface looks like in Teams. So of course, a lot of learning is done on the job, that's for sure, and Viva Topic it uses artificial intelligence to magically connect you to knowledge and experts in the context of your work. When you come across an unfamiliar topic, let's say, or an acronym, all you need to do is just hover over it. So I hope you can see that, and when you do that, a topic card gives you a summary of what you need to know. So right here, you don't need to search for knowledge. Knowledge is going to come find you. And let's say in case you want to know more, you just need to click on view details. So the topic page, it is giving you more details, including the definitions, relevant people, and much more. So when you have a question about the topic, just ask. And with Viva's, there is a new Q&A service as well, which has been powered by Yammer and AI. So which will call in an expert automatically. And the next time this question is asked, Viva will answer the question immediately. Moreover, as Viva Topics learns more, everyone shares the knowledge as well. And then we have right here, Viva uses AI to build up the topic pages automatically. So this actually works on the fact that it collects all the data which has been provided by different subject matters, and here the experts can make them better by editing them, just like how we do it on Wikipedia. And Viva also comes in with a customizable topic center. So the topic center gives you a personalized view of topics across your organization. Plus, it enables experts and admins to manage these topics. Of course, as part of Microsoft 365, Viva Topics supports the security, compliance, and privacy you would expect. People only see the topics and resources they have access to, and the topic center, it will let you review and approve the knowledge you want to harness from your organization. Viva also delivers this knowledge into just quick pointer. It will help you deliver the same sort into your Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams, and make them, the Microsoft search functionality powerful than ever. And with Viva Topics, you'll be able to connect with people. You connect your knowledge, plus the experts, answers, and this is all done in your everyday flow of work. So this was all about Microsoft Viva. These are the primary features that we have as of now. And looking at the time constraint we had today, I've covered the basic ones, but there's a lot more with Microsoft Viva this year itself. And Viva builds on your investments in Microsoft 365 apps. It is SharePoint, Yammer, Microsoft Teams, and it's open and extensible platform. And it supports a strong and growing ecosystem of partners. So Viva works with you, your existing systems and tools. In a nutshell, I would say Microsoft Viva brings communications, insights, learning, and knowledge together into an integrated employee experience so everyone can be their best and the whole organization can thrive. All right, so thank you very much, everyone, for taking part in this session and taking out your valuable time today. I hope you all enjoyed this presentation and have had great takeaways. Now, if anyone has any questions, the floor is open. Please feel free to put it down in the chat box. All right, so I'll give this another 2 minutes for a Q&A session. Let's see if we have any sort of questions. And just to point it out that we also value our customer feedback, so do write us back about your experience with us and your thoughts on the session. We welcome any sort of new ideas and any other topics that you might be interested in. Please do write us back and we'll make sure to revert on the same. And we also have just shared a feedback form, so I'll request all of you to please kindly fill it as soon as possible. All right, so I hope this concludes the webinar for today. And in case anyone has any sort of questions, please feel free to write us back. Please put it down on our email and we will surely revert you. And I hope to see all of you in the upcoming sessions. Thank you very much for today.